Guys, today I'm going to be teaching you simple trick on your iPhone should in case you've experienced this call failed problem on your iPhone and you don't know how to actually fix it. Today I'm going to be teaching you how to break things down on your iPhone should in case you experience this call failed or network problem on your iPhone and you don't know the cause of this problem. You'll be boring looking at where am I going, who am I going to consult, who am I taking this phone to, and it's going to be a lot of complication to yourself. And today's video I'm going to be teaching you how to solve this problem quickly on yourself. So first of all, let me take you to my iPhone and show you how to do that. When you experience call failed or network problem on your iPhone, sometimes you might experience your network post might not come into the actual point or normal point. It will be coming on and off, inactive, your network post. So when you try dialing a call, it might be like call failed or something like that. You will try giving it to an hardware expert. They will try by setting your phone, try looking at everywhere, and they are not going to solve this case for you. So in today's video I'm going to be teaching you how to fix this problem yourself. So with that being said, let me take you the phone and show you how to do that. First of all, head into your settings, scroll down to look for privacy and security. When you come to privacy and security, scroll down all the way to down, you will see lockdown mode. When you come to this point, you will see maybe it might be on and you don't know. So should in case this setting is on, your network is going to experience bad connection. You are going to experience poor connection. Your data post or maybe your network post might not be correct. When you try dialing a call, the call too might not be active. It might be like call failed, but your data will be active. When you try like owning data, you can use your data. You receive SMS, but you cannot make call. You cannot dial any call, and no one is going to reach you when they try calling you. They will they will be like number busy all the time, and they're not going to reach you. Well, and the reason why Apple has decided to bring in this setting is that it should, in case you find yourself in a highly risk zone or highly risk moment or place, you can simply turn on these settings to freeze all your tracking address down, and they're not going to, like, when someone trying to track you, they're not going to like see your IP address, your locations, and everything concerning your particulars. They're not going to reach you. So if in case you've experienced this call failed or network problem on your iPhone, I think you must go straight to this point and check these settings. When you turn off these settings, you are going to be free from call failed or network problem. But when you turn it on and you don't know, maybe mistakenly you might turn it on but you don't know, it's going to give you this or this features or this problem. You are going to be experiencing network problem or call failed all the time. You cannot make call, but you can still turn on data, receive SMS, and no one is going to reach you. And when you log to this place, this is what Apple is talking about, these settings. They said, let me try clicking on the settings and see lockdown mode. When you click on it like that, turn it on, you'll see like this. You can see lockdown mode. So when you see lockdown mode, you will see under the lockdown mode, you will see turn on the blue words over there. You see there is turn on black lockdown mode over there. When you click on it like this, this is how the system the setting is going to run on your iPhone. They said most message attachments are blocked and some features are unavailable. FaceTime, incoming FaceTime calls from people you have not previously called are blocked. Features such as share play and live photos are unavailable. Web browsing, some web technologies and browsing features are blocked. Photos, location will be excluded by default when sharing photos, and shared album will be removed from photos. Device connection, wired connection with another device or accessory are blocked while your phone is locked. And the last feature, they will see wireless connectivity. You can see automatically joining non-secure Wi-Fi network and 2G or 3G mobile connection are blocked. That's where your network and your network might be like call fail when you try calling, doing a call, or try sending a call to someone. When you see come to this place, you see Apple service, incoming invitation from Apple service from people you have not previously invited are blocked. Profile configuration, profile such as profile for school or work cannot be installed. So they will give you all these features that if you turn this particular settings, or this is why you are going to maybe face this all features, we are going to face all this also. So if you know that, or if you know that you want to turn it on, you accept to turn it on, then you agree to turn it on, then you are free to go, then you turn it on. So when you turn it on, automatically your phone is going to run off. It's going to be it's going to restart itself. So when after it's restarted, you can see your network post is not going to appear on the screen. And when you try clicking on the airplane mode, you'll see it will be like one pole might come and go. It's going to be unstable. And when you try dialing a call, that's where you see call fail like this. I think that's how it is when you come to these settings or future you might don't know. You can simply check to these settings quickly, and whenever you check these settings and it's not like responding to or corresponding to your problem, then you can take it to an expert or hardware repair. They're going to like maybe fix it for you. And first of all, when you try to work, it's not working, try restarting your phone or turn on the plane mode for a few seconds and turn it off back and see if it's still the same. Then I think might take it to an expert or hardware repair so that they'll check it for you. If you find this video helpful, don't forget to like, share to your lovely ones, and follow for more tips and tricks like this. See you.